ATHEENAPANDIAN's Biotimac Global Biomedical Magazine 3rd edition released on 21st of 2025. We are proudly welcoming our chief guest Dr. D. Vinod Kumar sir, head of the Department of Vinayaga Mission, Rubananda Warrior Engineering College, Vinayaga Mission Research and Foundation University. More number of people got registered for this magazine release function, and also we are planned to conduct a first seminar, national level seminar on nanobots and pluripotent, induced pluripotent stem cell therapy. Dr. Parthiban sir from Danish Ahmed, principal sir, and then we are welcoming our one more chief guest, Dr. Gayatri Sivalingam madam, as per AIMS, Switzerland. She is also participated as a chief guest of this particular function, and we are very proud to introduce ourselves to her. She is a very warming lady at the same time. She inspired a lot for the past few years in his performance in over the stage in all over the world. We are get inspired, and then we are calling for this function's chief guest. So she accepted our invitation and she participated in this particular event to make this particular event in a very successful manner. And we are inviting furthermore guests for this particular occasion. Dosli Mercy Boy madam, head of the department, Sri Sakthi, Institute of Technology, Department of Biomedical Engineering. I introduce all of them, all our team members, to all the guests. All the guests are joined together and we start our program. Ms. Krithina, Dharmarajan, take the Master of Ceremonies MC for the whole day function. She is extraordinary, delivering useful thoughts and guiding all the participants and the guests in a right way manner. This particular function happened in the ORBIS Hotel, Coimbatore. The conference almost 95 participants are registered for this particular magazine release, and also the first national level seminar. All the guests, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, also participated as a participant here, and we are inviting one more guest from the Go Study and Study Abroad from Coimbatore, Mr. Gautam and Mr. Jayachandran. Also later on, once the function will get started, and then we are participated, and we are honored all the chief guests by the way of giving momentum and the soul in the later session. And initially we are just lightening the lamp session. Proudly we are giving the handle to each and every guest to lighting the lamp by the way of improving the strategy of our magazine, the worldwide. We are inviting slowly, and everyone with blessings, they are just lighting the lamp in the way that they are giving external well-wishing to us, all of us. It is a very proud moment for us to releasing this third magazine, third global level magazine, to all the biomedical engineers. It is most useful for researchers, and the faculty members are also getting more number of knowledge regarding this particular magazine. Rashika Murugan giving the presidential address regarding the Biotimac magazine, about the global biomedical magazine, and about the ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited and the subsidiaries. We are very proud. We have 4 different subsidiaries. International fovea-Z Biomedical Association. Recently we got a government approved society called the fovea-Z Biomedical Society. Then Biozeephysis Research Center, and then Biotimac. Finally, World of Biomedical Engineering and Technology. The 4 different subsidiaries we have. All these 4 subsidiaries are introduced by our president of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. All the delegates and the participants are clearly understand about all our subsidiaries. And then one by one, Mohammed SAHIL, Chief Executive Officer of Biozeephysis, introduced about the BioTMAC, what is BioTMAC, and what actually we are doing in the BioTMAC, and what are all the things there in the BioTMAC, and how students are getting benefited by reading this particular magazine, and how the research scholars are getting benefited, particularly biomedical science related research scholars are getting more benefited by attending this conference. And then it is my duty as a global director, I am honoring with SAL and the memento to all the chief guests, those who are attending this particular function. The SAL and memento, the prestigious Gayatri Singalingam ma'am got, and she expresses feels, and then I honored Dr. Vinod Kumar sir for his presence in his busy schedule, and he's along with us for past 4 years for the development of biomedical engineering. And then Sarvana Sundaram sir, head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering from Hindustan Institute of Technology. He's also participated in this particular conference. I am just honored him also. And then each and every guest gave some extraordinary speech regarding the recent development of biomedical engineering, biomedical science, and also the general requirement of the biomedical engineering students and all the other engineering graduates required to succeed in the market. Through this topic, Gayatri ma'am delivered a lot of informations regarding the research benefits and also the involvement and how to use the time for getting more advantage and more competitive world is there. So how much amount of time we need to spend in the research, patent, and all the other academic activities. She is delivering the speech regarding that particular thing. And then Dr. Vinod Kumar sir, because of he totally belonged to the biomedical engineering, he delivered a long speech about biomedical projects, the basics of biomedical equipments, basics of general equipment that we are used in the hospitals and also in the home, and how we start the projects and how the projects are so important for the engineering college students, and how the possibilities there to compete the world by means of proving ourselves by the way of presenting projects, research, and also the journal papers. So all related these kind of the topics, Vinod sir gave an extraordinary speech. Students are getting inspired and took notes also regarding this his speech, because he is telling so many biomedical related topics. So that's what the students are getting inspired. And also like this, all the guests are introduced themselves and they are delivering a valuable insightfulness to the candidates, participants, and also the research scholars. Even our faculties are also got benefited by his thoughts and all the chief guest informations. And he is giving a long speech. That is the great inspiration. And after this particular function, that is in the magazine release, once we are complete the speech of all the candidates, chief guests, then we ask all the chief guests to come into the dais and open the magazine. So this is what the magazine is. Successfully we launch our third edition of ATHEENAPANDIAN's BioTMAC magazine. And then No.1 members, International fovea-Z Biomedical No.1 members are honored by providing the tag, membership card, and also the certificate. All the members are receiving the certificates and the card from the judge, the chief guest. So this is our duty to honoring all the membership holders. Each and every guest gave some insightfulness to all the peoples. So this is what, and these two guests are Dr. Jayachandran and Mr. Gautam. They both of them from study abroad and go study. Those who are willing to study abroad, those who are willing to work in abroad, both of them are helped through ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited as are going to sign a MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, between those two companies and our International fovea-Z Biomedical Association very soonly. So that's what we are inviting as a guest of honor to providing certificates. And after the magazine release, all the guests are interact themselves and they are changing their visiting cards, and my seminar session started regarding the induced pluripotent stem cell therapy and the nanobots. I am very proud to deliver the speech regarding this two important topic, because biomedical science is going to rule the world. So for that, apart from engineering equipment or medical devices, this is our duty to learn many things regarding the biomedical science, particularly in tissue engineering, nanobots, induced pluripotent stem cell therapy, and all these concepts. That's what during this session I am delivering much amount of details regarding the stem cells is what, induced pluripotent is what, types of nanobots is what, and how the nanobots are very successful by the way of treating cancer, particularly in the oncology department. This nanobots helps a lot to clearing the cancers. Like this I started, and then induced pluripotent stem cell therapy also I started later on. So things are keep on going on, and students are took notes, and they're asking so many doubts also. This is our duty to give more number of insights, thoughts, process regarding all my team members are also listening the topics regarding the Yamanaka, that is induced pluripotent stem cell therapy Nobel Prize winner Yamanaka. About his invention only I shared a lot of things during the seminar. After this particular seminar is getting over, I distributed certificates to all the participants along with my team members on the stage, and we took a group photo, and also the novice members are separately took a group photos, and so many thought process they are interchanged, and also the research topics and the project related topics, how we are supposed to do the projects in biomedical science, and all these things I gave an informations regarding this. So that is also the students are got benefited, and so keep on. We are providing these kind of the functions every month. So thank you very much for listening this video and audio. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.